frightening warning sent to thousands of patients of an Oklahoma dentist. They may have been exposed to several diseases, including hepatitis, due to improper sterilization practices. And while authorities say he's cooperating with their investigation, Marcy Gonzalez tells us one of his patients has already tested positive for HIV.
A scare for 7,000 people in Oklahoma, now questioning if they were exposed to deadly infections while in the dentist chair.
How's it going to affect the rest of my life if it ends up being, either the test ends up being positive?
Health officials are urging all of Dr. W. Scott Harrington's patients to be tested after one patient with no known risk factors became infected with both HIV and hepatitis C, sparking an investigation.
When the health department investigators and we left, we were just physically kind of sick.
Among the sickening reported findings, investigators say the doctor of 36 years reused needles and vials, had medications that were 20 years past their expiration date, allowed unlicensed assistants to give IV medications, and didn't clean his instruments properly.
The instruments that came out of the autoclave were horrible. I wouldn't let my nephews play with them out in the dirt. I mean, they were horrible. They had rust on them.
And as patients wait for their test results, the CDC is now joining the investigation.
I'm very concerned about how many there may be.
No charges have been filed. We're told Dr. Harrington is being cooperative and has voluntarily closed his practice while the investigation continues. Calls to him have not been returned. Marcy Gonzalez, ABC News, New York.
New reports today that a U.S. Army veteran